I'm concerned that victims will not come forward after hearing today's ruling and feel as though they did something wrong again.
The ruling centers around the case of Randy Ball, who sued the Roman Catholic Bishop of Manchester, saying he was raped by a priest in the 70s. Based on the law at the time, Ball only had until he turned 20 to report it. But in 2020, the state eliminated the statute of limitations for civil cases of sexual abuse. Ball argued that made his lawsuit now permissible. The state's highest court says otherwise.
Today's adverse ruling really was painful for many victims and survivors because they'll go once again, they'll go back into their cocoon and feel as though they did something wrong when they were 7 or 8 or 9 years old, when we all know they did nothing wrong.
On behalf of the diocese, lawyers for the Diocese of Manchester say, quote, as the statute of limitation law recognizes, a lawsuit concerning a report of abuse that is many years old can be difficult, if not impossible, to defend because witnesses and evidence may no longer remain available. In this case, the report was made 50 years later, and the accused priest died in 2002. The decision also drawing criticism from a legal expert.
The New Hampshire Supreme Court got it wrong here.
The state constitution prohibits retrospective laws, but UNH professor Daniel Pai says the Supreme Court could have applied more nuance to its understanding of that.
You could say that it applies to substantive but not procedural. And other states have done that when they've been faced with similar situations.
And today's ruling has raised questions on what this could mean for YDC cases. Legal experts we spoke with say there are still questions there. In the studio, Maria Wilson, WMUR News 9.